Hey, Mama.
Hello, my dear. Good morning. Huh?
Gabby, come here.
Gabi. Good morning. Look at your gift. Oh, look at your gift. And we have a fireplace.
Look.
See? Huh? Oh, you got a dog. Now you have chair for your friend. Where's that? Oh, no.
Huh? Oh, you're good.
Fireplace. Where's the on and off for this one? This is cute.
Little biscuit, I want luto.
Gabi, look.
The puppy. Clap. Look at him. It's a puppy. They cute. You got pee-pee? Huh. You like your table? Look at this.
That's yours. Yeah. Yeah.
Looky.
You like it? Yeah. You
Want
like
it out
it?
of the package?
Here, let me help you.
Hey, Gabi. Look.
Press this, press that.
Woo!
Hold on, Gabby. Hold on. Hold on. Let me take it out. Look at that. You like that? Get it, Gabby.
Open it. Rip it. That one's yours too.
Where's your gift? Mahal, asa mong gift kang Gabi? Katong yang kuan, porta.
Rip it open.
Kaya itong lito po ba? Wow! Wow! Very good! Ihatag itong porta.
Oh. Bubble puppy. Your puppy's sleeping.
Look, Gabby.
Sobre itong sobre. Yeah. This is for Gabi too. Open that one, maybe that's mine. Is this for Gabi?
Wow.
Wow!
Ito the hair in glass. Yeah, a lot of toys. Gabi. Who gave you that?
Say mommy. Or Santa.
We built it last night.
Hey, watch this. There's more. Open this. Open this.
Yeah, I don't remember.
Put it right here.
I cannot read it.
Got this. It's cashew. Cashew. Look, Abby.
Open, open,
Look.
open,
Woo!
open.
Look, Abby.
Kasi pumunta na yung mga tulang.
Donate.
Gabby, woo! Look, push it, Gabby. Push it. Woo!
Yeah.
Here, some more.
Put him there all the way at night. So you can get scared.
The dog.
Yeah!
Yan, ah. Yata na remember.
Yeah, baby.
Crayola, that's good for you. You have to paint the house.
Look, Gabby. There's
Sit
a...
down, sit down.
Bili na sa Crayola.
Here, honey. Oh, wala mo kayo.
Gabby!
Look.
Gabby!
Look. Gabby.
Ooh.
No, she don't like. She
Gabby.
don't like dolls. She like guns. Hey,
Look, Gabby.
Gabby!
Yeah, babies.
Ooh.
You can put them in your cart.
Here, sit down.
This is the one Ray may give you, a chocolate.
That one's good. The
Is
white
it?
one.
More.
Open this. Look. Open this. Whoop.
Oh, Gabby!
Woo, Peppa Pig.
Peppa
Pig.
Pig!
Woo! Peppa Pig, Gabe. Peppa Pig.
Yay.
Peppa Pig. Look, it's Peppa. Woo! Sounds like
Grandmama!
Peppa Pig.
Asa to yung kwarta?
Peppa Pig. What?
Love
The
it.
money? Where's the money?
What?
They want to take pictures of it.
Oh, this in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gabby!
You're rich.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
this one?
What is this?
Open them up.
Gabby!
Look. Look.
Gabby! Oh, she's opening the wrong one.
You're ripping your prop.
Yeah. There's nothing in there.
She chooses ice cream too.
Just like your dad.
She wanted ice cream. She really thought there was
Honey,
ice
there's
cream
nothing in there.
Nothing, nothing.
We could put stuff in there.
Look, put it in here.
Oh, you got more, baby? So cute! Did you put it in the basket?
Kiss it.
Oh, you're so sweet. You got two babies, huh? Look at it. Look at it. It's Peppa. You like it? Yeah? Yeah, sippy cup. Cupcake cup.
Liz, Navidad.
Thank you.
Mmm. Good, huh? This is from our secret mommy and baby. And got a card. Aww. That was sweet. You have really good writing. Yay! Let's see. Open it up. Hold on, let's see. Oh, cute.
What is it?
Little DCs.
Mm.
Oh, the shoes are you got it. So cute. Aww. You like your iPad? Your tablet?
My dad fell asleep, that's what happened.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's bad.
We'll get a black one.
Let's keep plastic over it. Are you shopping? Are you shopping? What'd you get? You want to put your baby in there? Not your baby?
No, get your baby.
Where's Papa Pig's mom and dad?
It doesn't come with them.
Why?
Because it just came with that in the little bathtub.
Okay.
Huh?
Who's itchy?
Look, Andre, did you saw the turkey?
Hey, baby. You're pretty. He's sleeping. Puppy?
You ever watch this show?
What is it?
Movie?
Oh,
Christmas Story?
yeah.
Look out, move. Come on.
It's okay. Is this a puppy? It's okay. You're scared of the puppy? Look. Ruff, ruff. Is this a puppy? It's a puppy. She just woke up from a nap. She's kind of grumpy. You want milk? Huh? You want milk? Let's go get your milk then. Come on. Got it? Are you pushing it? You're carrying it, huh? You can push it. Push it, baby. Here you go. Push. Good girl. Push it. Look. The credit card's in there. Whoop. George. Peppa. George. Peppa. George. Was he kissing you? On the cheek.
You knew you did.
Bye.
It's a recipe for disaster. Let me know when you're comfortable to do that.
Okay.
A little kid did it.
Alright. So who's doing what?
I'm taking this.
Am I gonna grab it?
Yeah.
Okay. I saw this on Brain Games. You're like way down though. You're like.
Is it good?
You're like this.
How far do you want me to be?
I don't know.
Right there.
Okay, so you see my hand drop. I would have had it.
You did it.
I would have. You
did it.
Yes, monkey hands got in the way.
You did it.
Hurt me. Why are you so far down? You're already cheating. How am I supposed to get under it when you're like that? You're using your peripherals?
Yeah. I'll let you have it.
I beat you.
Make you feel good. Merry Christmas. Here's your gift. Here's your gift.
You're an ass.